Glenn and Robin Herman, New York injury attorneys explain the cause, effect, and compensation for sideswipe crash victims. Sideswipe accidents, or sideswipes, are a type of collision that happens when two vehicles traveling in the same direction collide with each other. Sideswipes can range from minor fender benders to serious collisions resulting in severe injuries and property damage. In this article, personal injury attorneys Glenn and Robin Herman discuss the causes of sideswipe accidents, their effects, and the compensation that victims may be eligible for in order to help prevent them. Manhattan personal injury attorneys Glenn and Robin Herman. Causes of sideswipe accidents. Sideswipe accidents are often caused by driver negligence or spatial miscalculations. In addition to distracted and reckless driving, common causes include failure to yield, failure to properly adjust speed when changing lanes or merging, poorly navigated turns at intersections, failure to check blind spots, or riding in another driver's blind spot for an extended period of time, inattentively entering the stream of traffic from a parallel parking spot. Effects of sideswipe accidents. Sideswipe accidents can cause a variety of physical, emotional, and financial consequences for victims. Common injuries resulting from sideswipes include whiplash, broken bones, and cuts. In more serious cases, victims could suffer from traumatic brain injuries or spinal cord injuries. Furthermore, many victims of sideswipe accidents will experience psychological trauma such as depression and anxiety due to the incident. Finally, there can be substantial financial hardship for those affected by sideswipe accidents due to lost income, medical bills, and property damage. Sideswipe accidents can be extremely dangerous. Although sideswipe accidents are often considered minor because neither car involved collides head-first with the other, there are some circumstances where sideswipe accidents can cause major property damage, severe injuries, and even death. These include full side contact. In some accidents, drivers will swerve to try and avoid a head-on or rear-end collision with another vehicle. When they are unable to successfully do so, they may instead swipe the side of the other vehicle, resulting in severe damage along the entire side body of both cars. Size mismatch. When a small sedan or compact vehicle is sideswiped by a large SUV, minivan, or truck, the driver and the passenger of the smaller car are more likely to sustain severe injuries. Speeding. One or both drivers speeding increases the likelihood of severe injury and death from a sideswipe accident. Data from the National Highway and Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, shows that speeding causes 26% of car accident fatalities across the United States. Side underride. Side underride occurs in accidents between large tractor-trailers and vehicles that can fit partially or completely under the bottom edge of the trailer's side. These accidents are severe and sometimes fatal due to passenger compartment intrusion. Compensation for personal injury victims. If you have been injured in a sideswipe accident that was caused by another driver's negligence, you may be entitled to compensation for your losses. Depending on the circumstances of the case, victims may be eligible to receive financial restitution for medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. An experienced personal injury attorney can help you build a strong case to pursue the compensation that you deserve. They will review your accident and gather evidence to prove liability on the part of the other driver in order to maximize your chance of obtaining justice. Sideswipe accidents can cause serious harm to victims, both physically and financially. It is important to understand the causes of these collisions, their effects, and the means of obtaining compensation in order to protect yourself from further injury. If you have been injured in a sideswipe accident caused by another driver's negligence, contact a New York City personal injury attorney with experience handling sideswipe accident cases. They can help you get the justice and restitution that you deserve. About Manhattan personal injury attorneys Glenn and Robin Herman. Our New York City personal injury attorneys take the time to learn every aspect of your case during our initial meeting in order to properly evaluate the full extent of the damages you or a loved one have suffered. We have been representing seriously injured New Yorkers for over 30 years. Born, raised, and living in the city, we know that when you have been injured in this town, you need an attorney to protect your rights and explain the law to you in a way you can understand. For a no-charge consultation today to discuss the details of your injury event, click here. We represent clients in all 5 boroughs of New York, NY, Manhattan, Staten Island, Queens, Brooklyn, and the Bronx, along with Suffolk County and Nassau County on Long Island, Westchester County, Rockland County, and throughout the entire state of New York. Media contact: R. William. 212-966-1928